Alright guys, haven't been on the bike in a while. Time to go to work. Dude, I already showed you this new bag, but I love this thing. Let's tighten this. Don't want it to fall on me. Alright, dude, she looking pretty. Thank you for all the comments, guys. I love it. Good, bad, whatever, don't matter. Critique my videos for me. I haven't been riding because the smoke from Canada, guys. So I don't know if y'all know, but Canada had a little wildfire recently, and it like spread all the way through like New York and Philly and us, all just basically all along the East Coast. And dude, this, I mean, Cali people probably see it all the time. But the sky was just all like black. It's kind of gross. Didn't want to ride in that, so. Oh man, we only have 3 bars of gas. I thought we had a full tank. I thought I topped it off last time. You see, I need to get the turn. TST, can you guys release the integrated taillight, please? So that I don't have the dumb blinker, the dummy blinker, because it just blinks so fast. Because it's only, you know, all the power is going, all the surge is going to one end. So it's just like spazzing out. WRX. Everybody has these. My boy had one. It was nice. Wish it had more power though. Like stock, that is. I mean, obviously, you know, but you can do a lot of things to the Boxer engine, but not everybody has money. Although I wish I videotaped more of my journey with my Wrangler, because I put a lot of money in that bitch. Don't know why. Damn man, 2175. Getting up there, boys. I might keep this bike forever, to be honest. It's pretty nice. My eyes have been like fucking messed up lately, and they are watering like shit right now from the wind. And I'm trying to like ride with as nicely as possible, guys. That's why I'm not talking. I'm facing some war right now with my eye. It hurts. I'm like crying right now, dude. It's pissing me off. I'm literally crying right now through my my tears are just landing on my freaking cheek pads in the helmet. Dude, my eye is in pain right now. And I'm crying again. I'm crying again. God, man.